My name is Erin Murphy, and I'm the Executive Director of the Haitian Timoun Foundation. One of our partners in Haiti is a program called Chemen, Lavi, Miyò, which means Pathway to a Better Life in Haitian Creole. It was started by Fonkoze Bank, which is the Bank of the Poor in Haiti. It's a microloan organization. And what they discovered is that there were women and families in Haiti who were so poor that they couldn't even access basic banking services or deposit services, and so they knew that they needed to offer a program for them. So what CLM does, it's a graduation and accompaniment model, and it walks alongside ultra-poor families for an 18-month period to help give them a hand up and give them a chance at a better life. When they meet these women, they are living with their children in abject poverty. They may be eating only once every 3 days or so. They have shelter that is extremely unstable. They're not in school. They don't have access to health care. They don't have access to clean water. And so they've got a lot of poverty traps that are keeping them from living their life. And so CLM assigns a case manager and walks alongside them for 18 months. They get a water filter so they have clean water. They receive materials to fortify or rebuild their home so that it is secure and provides shelter, particularly in when there's a hurricane or other natural disaster that happens an awful lot in Haiti. By the end of the 18-month period, they have a graduation and they've met a number of criteria, and those women then can move on to access microloans and other things. At the end of that 18-month period, their children aren't hungry anymore. They're in school. They have access to an income stream that allows them to provide for their families. They live in a secure shelter. They have clean water, which means that they're not sick all the time. And they also have access to health care. It costs about $1,500 for one family to go through the 18 months. And that is a real bargain when you think about what happens at the end of that. Those women are no longer fighting to live. They're able to feed their children, and they have access to a future that's got hope and sustainability and dignity.